It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I know the lighting is not very good, but we're going to be getting the better lighting here. What I've done is I've taken off one front shock right here. I'm going to take it, clean it, look at it, put your parts, all your parts that come with it, into a bowl. And you can see these are Showa shocks. These were purchased at VT Cycle years ago. So was this Prodigy rear shock. Now we're going to go take these to the sunlight. And I want to say something, that if you don't have all the front fork disc brake, tube suspension and all that, and I don't know if they're better or worse, I have no idea. But these have really done me well. I purchased these, I don't know, from Steve Van Treese at VT Cycles probably 7 or 8 years ago, and they work really good, especially if you're a heavier rider. These rear shocks really help when you hit some of these not perfectly aligned streets. You're not going to be cutting any diamond in the back seat of a Cadillac. So I'm going to take my cleaner here, clean these up, look over my parts on around the bike where these go, and put them back on. You only want to take off one front shock at a time. If you take off both of them, your front end will collapse. So you take one shock off, clean it, put it back on, then you can take the other one off. The other one off is going to be interesting because it's a lot bigger shock. And we continue.